What up, people? Today I'm working from home, so I'll show you what I had for lunch. Let's get started. Crack 3 Eggos into a bowl. Just a little pinch of salt. Add a little vinegar to enhance the flavor. If you got gnarly eggs, this will help diffuse the odor, but you probably shouldn't eat gnarly eggs in the first place. Time to stir shit up. Once your blade is nice and sharp, we're going to cut the tomatoes into big old chunks. Now we're going to cut the scallions, basically separate the whites and the greens. I got some steroid scallions, so I'm going to have to cut that big boy in half. Flames on high. Add 1.5 tablespoons cooking oil. Coat the pan. Make sure it's hot. Add the eggs. Sorry, I effed up and my camera died. So I'm just going to show you the general texture we're going for. Basically, take it off the heat the split second it stops being runny. Transfer to plate. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add scallion whites when hot. Cook until aromatic. Now add in the juicy tomatoes. Now add teaspoon salt, and then teaspoon sugar, now we want to add 1 teaspoon ketchup or catsup. So this is how we want our tomatoes to look when they're ready. All the juices have been extracted. Turn off the heat and add the eggs back in. Then garnish with scallions. Serve on some rice. Gonna make some coffee to go with lunch.
Hey guys, gonna try now. The eggs are super savory. Tomatoes like still tart, but really nice and sweet. You can really taste the like oniony flavor. One of my favorite recipes, super cheap and easy to make. And also another thing I survived off of in college, so yeah, enjoy. I'm gonna get back to work now.